we've just received our Bitmain Antminer L9 as well as our Goldshell AE boxes from MinerSource. Great people to work with, great prices too. Jennifer's amazing. She got everything in order and shipped everything right away. We got everything within maybe actually 4 to 5 days, business days, and fairly quickly. So I'm going to open this up for you. This is the Antminer L9, and then these are the Goldshell AE boxes. Can't wait to plug them in. Let me open this up. Brand new packaging, as you can see, is perfect. No problems with shipping. Came right away. And looks like this does come with, the L9 does come with the power supply, the power cord for it, which is amazing. Brand new Antminer L9. Set this down here. As you can see, we have brand new unit, L9 17G, brand new unit here, perfect condition. As well, and let's put this over here, as well as the Goldshell AE boxes. We got 5 of these units. Let me see. Just open this up for you here. Brand new, perfect Goldshell AE box. So can't wait to plug both of these in. L9, they do require a lot of power, so we'll see how these will work, but yeah, perfect. MinerSource was great to work with. They still are. We've been working with them for a while now, so can't wait to continue working with them and order from them. Thank you.